now. So, let's send him into the water and we'll see how many rings he can catch from when he's swimming after them instead. Alright, little man, the first one's going to be nice and easy for you. Now, there's going to be something like this too. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. How's that? Because it's their enemies. Now, the California sea lion, like Roger and Arthur, had 2 main enemies. The first one is the killer whale. Now, I'm not going to tell you what the second one is because little Roger has a really good impression of it instead. So, little man, pop yourself out into the water. That's it. Alright, little man, walk over this way. And when you're ready, mate, show everyone what is your deadliest enemy, right, buddy? That's it. It is, of course, sharks. Now, we're talking about big sharks, tiger sharks, bull sharks, and great white sharks. They eat seals and sea lions as their main diet. So, what seals and sea lions do is when they know an enemy is close by, they just swim back to the beach, making it nice and safe. Cool. Give little Roger a big round of applause. But before we go, we're going to see if these two both want to finish things off with their favourite bit. Now, this is where they both get to do a little bit of showing off by either going to the water to hit victory 4. That's all the way up there after me. Now, obviously, a little bit higher up there. We need to look it down first because little Roger's going to go first with this one. Now, Roger, at the minute, he's in his high ball. And about there. Is that okay? Now, Roger, he's also a little bit of a daredevil. So, what Roger's going to do is he's going to start his high ball attempt from the top of his diving board, just over there. Alright? So, I'll go through what's going to happen. Roger is going to climb up the steps to the top. Then when he's ready, he's going to dive into the water, swim across, and then he's going to make an attempt to hit the big ball with his nose, okay? So, if Roger goes to hit that ball with his nose, I'd like everyone to give him a massive round of applause because he has done a really good point for this today, and it is going to take him a lot of effort this jump. Alright, little man, we're going to go that way for us, mate. There he goes. Okay, little man, make your way up, and we'll see you at the stage. That's it. Okay, little man, ready? Easy way. So if you